Welcome back to another video from High Techno. In this channel, I make tutorials on Premiere Pro and Photoshop. So if you are new here, make sure to smash on the subscribe button and turn on notifications to watch more tutorials every week. Alright, today I will be showing you how to move a text around your video using Adobe Premiere Pro. Alright, to get started, all you have to do is first type in your text whatever you want on your video. To do that, you just simply got to select your type tool from your tools section and type in the text you want on your video. So simply I'm going to put high techno on my video, and now to center the text you just simply got to select your text. By holding on command, you could just simply moving to the center of the video till you find an alignment like this. Or if you're using a Windows, make sure to hold on Control key, and I have a separate video right for you on the right hand corner. Make sure to check out that if you want to learn more about centering your text. Alright, now if you want to change the size or the font of your text, you just simply got to go into your effects controls panel and search in for the text you typed in, and over here you could just simply change the font style, and you could increase the size or change the color of the font. So to the point of the video is I'm going to show you how to move your text to the corner or wherever you want your text to be moved. So in order to do that, make sure you move your playhead to the beginning of your video. And now what you need to do is under motion you would find for position, toggle up your position keyframe, so you'd find a key sequence created right over here. So now I'm going to move to the point where I want my text to be moved. So I'm going to move my playhead 5 steps forward so I could create the movement or the animation for my text. And when I moved it, now what you need to do is come back to your position. Over here you could just simply make the adjustments by dragging on the amounts from 740. I'm going to move it up to the side, and then to move it to the bottom of your video you could just simply drag the other keyframe, which is over here, and you would have your text on the corner of the video. Now when you play the video back, you would have an animation created like this. As you can see, it's playing a bit too fast, so you could always select the keyframe and move it to the right if you want to have a bit lengthier duration for your animation key. Alright, now in order to move back your video to the center of the video, you just got to simply select the first keyframe. By holding on option, you could just drag in that keyframe to the point where you want your video text to be back on the center. And now when you play back the video from here, you would find your text going back to the center. And if you want to go further, you could just simply keep on creating keyframes just like that. And there you go. I hope you benefited from this tutorial. Make sure to leave a thumbs up on this video. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.